and they never believed us. So when you are impeached, comrade, it's not a motion of no confidence. Once we conclude that you have undermined your oath of office, you have committed crime, then we go to Parliament to impeach you. There is no impeach. We take away the salary. Because remember, President is paid for the rest of his life. So we remove you from the office, we take away the salary and all the benefits, including the blue lines. So the total Ramaphosa, what takes the rank? So Utoya Villa takes the rank. Because even the status of a former president is taken away. He's no longer a former president. He's just Matamela Cyril Ramaphosa. He becomes an ordinary man. Then criminal investigation comes in. Cyril is going to go to prison. The same way Zuma went to prison. He's going to go to prison. Mark my way. I always tell you these things and they come to happen. So I'm telling you now, like I told you before, Pala will never die. I'm telling you now, Ramaphosa is going to jail. There is no way Ramaphosa will not go to jail. Once the impeachment process opens up, the kind of shenanigans that are going to come out of that process, the amount of evidence that is going to come out of that impeachment process, there is no way Ramaphosa will not be arrested. Police must do their job and stop bringing Mwendi Pakis here. I saw the provincial commissioner. Harry, Zamotarato Zikwa Hyde the phone. Look what I paga, look what you don't building. So Thierry Nyaka Ibo Haute, Provincial Commissioner Haute, in a responsibility. Arrestana President Germaniska Vekwa. Arrestana President, we have a criminal. There is no criminal that must be treated with respect because that criminal has undermined the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Today, for sure, all of you can see why they want me in prison. Because if I'm in prison, all of this will not be possible. They want to silence me. They want to silence you by silencing me so that you never get to know the truth. At least I got the truth before I went to jail. At least I opened the eyes of South Africans before I went to jail. All of this went against their plan because we as the EFF have got a giraffe view. We can see how the future looks like. Now is for Ramaphosa to use his conscience and resign as the president of South Africa and go and face the impeachment. We can't have a president that is doing the work of president and doing the work of impeachment. He must concentrate on one. He can't concentrate on the president. He has to concentrate on impeachment. This goes again to the doorstep of the ANC. They must choose South Africa or they must choose Ramaphosa. The Constitutional Court was very clear. The prima facie exists, therefore it must go to the impeachment. Let's see that story of theirs of step aside. Whether that step aside has got eyes or not. Because facing impeachment is equal to standing in a box in a court of law and being charged, because you are only charged when there is prima facie. Now the panel said there is prima facie, meaning he is charged in Parliament. He has to face the impeachment process. Let's see if the step aside process only applies to certain individuals and doesn't apply to Ramaphosa. We know that it took long for us to arrive here. The Chief Justice has apologized. We accept her apology and we accept her wonderful judgment of this Constitutional Court. So fighters, there are a lot of fighters who are still coming, who are not going home, who are going to dance here, celebrate here, and march all over Johannesburg to celebrate